This is a demonstration of QuikAir, how quick it gets up to working pressure. We've got two identical compressors here, except for the one on the left, which is the QuikAir compressor, has been modified with the dual tank design, where we cut the tank and put a bottom portion on it and a smaller top portion on the tank. And we also add some control valves and plumbing to handle pressure between the two. Once again, same compressor, same motors, same pumps, same initial tanks, 27 pounds. And what we're showing here is on the left tank, the gauge, pressure gauge for the top tank is already up to 120 PSI. We got to working PSI very quickly, even showing that the regulator for the tool pressure output is topped out at 110, set at 110 or 100. And the compressor, your standard off-the-shelf compressor that's not been modified, but identical, is taking its usual leisurely time to work up to working pressure. So the gauge on the left, the right compressor, is showing the tank pressure, just slowly building up. You can see we're almost 2 minutes in and it's where it's at. We'll go back to the gauge compressor on the left and we'll see that it's almost at 160, the tank pressure. And you're gonna watch that gauge and it's gonna go down. Right now, all of a sudden, down to 120, stop, and start building up again. What it's actually doing is bleeding off pressure to the bottom tank. Here it's gonna get 160 again, and we'll watch this bottom tank pressure gauge go up. And then it goes up as the top tank is bleeding air off into it. So that continually cycles and builds up the pressure on the reserve tank to the 175, which is max for the system. And as we go back to the right compressor, our unmodified off-the-shelf one, we see it's just still building up pressure in the tank, being almost 3 minutes in. Our QuikAir has anywhere between 160 and 120 working pressure off that top tank, while still sending pressure to the bottom tank and filling that up. Now, we're gonna zoom ahead here, time lapse, and show you where we are 8 minutes into this demo, where both compressors are. Eight minutes into the demonstration, and you can see that the tank on the right, the unmodified one, is starting to reach its maximum pressure in the main tank. And we're also doing that too on the QuikAir tank. We're still cycling back and forth. Actually, we're not. We're just filled up. We're at the same place with that tank on the compressor on the right. Is the tank on the bottom, the large reserve, is showing the same pressure as the tank on the top. Those two are pressurizing at the same PSI right now because our control valves are open. So this is showing you that at the same time, both compressors have reached full capacity with the complete 27 gallons of tank. That's the demonstration. We just want to show you how quick you can reach working PSI with the QuikAir and not have to wait till your full tank is up to that working PSI.